Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can run the uncensored version of Llama 3 on your local machine. So firstly, let's discuss what is the uncensored version of Llama 3. You have to go to ollama.com and you have to click models to view different models. Here you have to write Llama 3 and if you scroll down you will see Dolphin Llama 3. Let's click this and you will see the Dolphin Llama 3 page. Dolphin 2.9 is a new model with two variants, 8 billion parameter and 70 billion parameter size, by Eric Hartford, based on Llama 3, and has variety of instructions, conversational and coding skills. Let's scroll down to learn more. Dolphin 2.9 has a variety of instructions, conversational and coding skills. It also has initial agentic abilities and supports function calling. Dolphin is uncensored. The dataset has been filtered to remove the alignment and the bias. This makes the model more compliant. So you get the point that this is the uncensored version of Llama 3. Here are two variants, 70 billion parameter and 8 billion parameter. 70 billion parameter is the variant that is used by high computational resources computers. We will use the 8 billion parameter model, which is normal and lightweight. Firstly, you have to download the app from which you will run Dolphin 2.9. So choose a platform and download that. After downloading that, you have to copy this command and paste it here. It will take some time. For the first time, it will take some time to download the model, and after that is downloaded, something like this will appear. So let me give you a comparison between ChatGPT and Dolphin Llama. I will type here, tell me a joke about women. You can see it is here to spread positive vibes and inclusivity. So it cannot answer our question. I will copy this prompt and I will copy this prompt and give it to Dolphin Llama 3. You can see it gave us a joke about women. So it is uncensored, completely uncensored. And to close this, you don't have to close the terminal. You can just type /pi and it will close itself. And not just that, you can ask it anything that is refused by ChatGPT, Perspective AI, or any other AI model. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.